Hey word workers, today we're going to talk about everyone's favorite topic. You guessed it, we're going to learn some words related to money. Well, money is what we use to buy the goods or pay for the services that we want or need. Now, let's start with cash, the bills and coins you can hold in your hand. In Canada, we've got bills ranging from $5 to $100 and coins like loonies, toonies, quarters, dimes, and nickels that we use for those smaller purchases. Now, when you travel, you'll find that different countries use different kinds of currencies like pesos, euros, or dollars. It's like a little global tour in your wallet. And guess what? You can get money from an ATM, which is like a little bank that gives you cash whenever you need it. You can find ATMs at all sorts of places, from banks to shopping malls and even at some restaurants. Hey there, word workers. I hope you're learning some new words today. Stick around to learn more money words and let us know your favorites in the comments. Watch to the end to learn some more words associated with money. Now, managing money is important. You can spend it on whatever your heart desires, but watch out for the sneaky sales tax. You can also deposit cash in a bank or borrow a loan if you need it. You can open a checking account or savings account to keep track of your money. And remember to keep track of your spending when swiping those credit cards or debit cards, or soon you will be in a lot of money trouble. So word workers, that's it for today. I hope you picked up some new money words. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos from WordWork. Until next time, happy spending and be money smart.